Good timing, brother. No, it's probably just the way you kicked him out of the hole. Nice. Nice, brother. Brother man.
He's a beauty.
I'll take him if...
You want him?
Yeah, I'll take him.
Wow.
That's what I'm talking about. It's the flasher deal. You got the flasher thing going, don't you? Is he bigger?
No.
Yeah.
Look, he's pretty big. He's almost 16.
Not bad. Way to do it. Way to do it, Scoop. Way to do it. Nice little 16-inch trout.
He's a beauty, isn't he?
17. Yeah, I'll eat him.
All right. He's yours.
Coolio.